Hi guys! Do you want your Marvel movie edits to look sharper and more cinematic, just like this? Today, I'll show you how to use AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI to upscale movies into stunning 4000 HD. You'll see how easy it is to breathe new life into your favorite footage. First, open AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and import your video footage. Next, select the preset Upscale to 4000 and choose the right AI model. For movies, the Ultra model works best. Open Face Enhancement if your footage shows faces. In the final, sharpens details and keeps the film looking natural. True the basic video setting. Always preview a short section before exporting. This way, you can compare the before and after to make sure you're happy with the results. Once it looks perfect, go ahead and export your movie in 4000 HD. That's it. Simple and powerful. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.